Tomorrow afternoon we continue our season of films directed by George Cukor. Adam's Rib, starring Spencer Tracy and Katharine Hepburn, is at 12:55, and at 2:35 the 1976 American-Russian co-production The Bluebird receives its British premiere. Elizabeth Taylor, Jane Fonda, Cicely Tyson and Ava Gardner star in The Bluebird, the second of our George Cukor films, tomorrow afternoon. Now back to today, and in 45 minutes we shall have further coverage of the International World Snooker Championship final from Sheffield. First, a visit with David Attenborough to the Ark in South Kensington.